said no more f***ing with me, Jack. Ow!
Yellow line marker.
Yeah, brilliant.
Oh, he's not going to know, is he? Enjoy your new tractor? Oh, bless him. He's having so much fun.
Bless him, he's going to get blown up in a minute.
He keeps missing it.
I know.
He's driven over it like 4 times, hasn't gone off.
Oh my God, it's back. Oh my God, Joe. That just went off, That actually worked.
Yes, okay. He knows that's the line marker we bought yesterday morning.
Oh, Joe. You.
Oh no.
Jess! Jess! The lawnmower's broke again.
That's not funny. Broke £3,000 worth of machinery.
I haven't, Jess. I haven't broken it.
What are you shouting about?
What's wrong?
You broke the mower again.
Nick,
There was a bang underneath it. I think I went over something and now it ain't working.
you should check what you're going over there.
That's why you're supposed to trim long grass before you lawnmow it.
Well, okay, do you want to get out here and trim it? No,
Yeah.
you don't, do ya?
I wouldn't break 2 lawnmowers.
Nick,
You're gonna break it, Nick. Nick,
What?
come on.
Nick.
What are you talking about there?
Oh, it don't even work.
Nick!
What?
What did you run over?
I got some silly can.
It wasn't that line marker, was it?
You're a work.
You broke the mower again.
No, he broke the mower. I just planted something there.
Can I not just have anything? I've been doing all this nicely. You're meant to be doing your own time lapses.
You're going to have to do the rest by foot now.
You said no more.
Hey,
You ain't got your handbrake
You
on.
said no more with me, Jack. Ow!
Hell.
go and get his fixed, please.
Oh, yeah. What do you want me to do? Start it back up and drive to the shop?
It's on my list. I've got to cut the grass today.
Oh, they're the new sun. They're the new sun panels. You can't cut the grass with that, mate.
I've got an engine, so you can't break it.
Brilliant.
No, it's only a
Ted is asleep in the front room.
That was my desk.